Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sumatera Utara, tekun berkarya, hidup sejahtera, mulia, berbudaya. "25th of month April of year 3000 for day for the Governor of North Sumatra from the timeline scheduling of Agus Salim Nasution Mandeli University Lecture Out Time Electronic Teleconference year 3000 AD to the present now. Year 2025, 975 years took the homecoming flow from the city of Medan, reincarnation of Asian knowledge, to the face of the global international world of the East, inheriting civilization with Amalgeria, beneficial knowledge as our moral responsibility for future generation, for eternal world peace, especially for the people of North Sumatra province. The Faculty of its Science and Technology, the Mining Engineering Department, lecture material, free day, 25th of month April of year 3000 AD. Keputusan Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral Republik Indonesia nomor 1827K/30 MIM/2018 tentang pedoman kaidah pertambangan yang baik. Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources of the Republic of Indonesia number 18 and 27 K/30/MIM/2018 concerning guidelines for good mining practices. Dengan rahmat Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral, by the grace of God Almighty, Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources. Lampiran 2, Keputusan Menteri Energi dan Sumber Daya Mineral Republik Indonesia nomor 1827K/30/MIM/2018 tanggal 7 Mei tahun 2018. Appendix 2, Decree of the Minister of Energy and Mineral Resources, Republic of Indonesia, number 18 and 27, K/30/MIM/2018, date 7th of May 2018. Pedoman pengelolaan teknis pertambangan, guidelines for mining technical management. Kegiatan, aktivitas, pengolahan dan pemurnian, halaman 123, processing and refining, page 123. Umum, pemegang IUP atau IUP operasi produksi khusus, pengolahan dan pemurnian menyusun rencana pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, rencana pengolahan dan atau pemurnian wajib disusun oleh tenaga teknik yang kompeten. Konstruksi pabrik pengolahan dan pemurnian mempertimbangkan faktor kegempaan yang paling kurang terdiri atas koefisien gempa, peak ground acceleration, perencanaan ketahanan gempa untuk struktur bangunan sesuai SNI 1726/2012 atau perubahannya dan penanggulangan pasca gempa. Pemegang IUP atau IUPK operasi produksi khusus, pengolahan dan atau pemurnian melakukan pemantauan dan evaluasi terhadap unjuk kerja pabrik pengolahan dan atau pemurnian secara berkelanjutan dalam rangka optimasi untuk kerja. Pengoptimalan unjuk kerja pabrik pengolahan dan atau pemurnian dapat dilakukan dengan cara menjaga atau meningkatkan laju umpan sesuai kapasitas peralatan yang digunakan, meningkatkan utilitas peralatan, memantau dan memperbaiki parameter proses, pengoptimalan recovery, pengoptimalan konsumsi energi dan air, mengurangi dampak negatif terhadap lingkungan, mengembangkan teknologi pengolahan dan atau pemurnian mineral kualitas rendah. Penyesuaian parameter proses sesuai dengan perubahan karakteristik komoditas tambang yang diolah dan atau dimurnikan dan atau efisiensi pemakaian regen kimia dan bahan habis pakai lainnya. Dalam hal terdapat perubahan jumlah dan kapasitas peralatan utama serta penggunaan teknologi baru, maka menyampaikan kajian teknis kepada kepala inspektur tambang. Penanganan material pada kegiatan pengolahan dan atau pemurnian dilakukan berdasarkan jenis, bentuk, sifat, dan potensi bahaya yang dimiliki suatu material. General, holders of mining business permits or mining business permits for special production operation for processing and refining must prepare a processing and or refining plan. The processing and or refining plan must be prepared by competent engineering personnel. Construction of processing and refining plants must consider seismic factors, which must include at least the earthquake coefficient, peak ground acceleration, earthquake resistance planning for building structure in accordance with SNI 17 and 26, 2012, or its amendment, and post-earthquake mitigation measures. Holders of mining business permit or mining business permits for special production operation for processing and or refining must continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of the processing and or refining plants to optimize performance. Optimizing the performance of processing and or refining plants can be achieved by maintaining or increasing the feed rate according to the capacity of the equipment used, increasing equipment utilization, monitoring and improving process parameters, optimizing recovery. Optimizing energy and water consumption, reducing negative impacts on the environment, developing technology for processing and or refining low-quality minerals, adjusting process parameters according to change in the characteristic of the mining commodities being processed and/or refined and/or efficient use of chemical reagents and other consumables. In the events of change in the quantity and capacity of main equipment or the use of new technology, submitting a technical review to the chief mining inspector. Handling of materials during processing and or refining activities is carried out based on the type, form, properties, and potential hazard of the material. Perencanaan. Rencana pengolahan dan atau pemurnian meliputi rencana pengolahan dan atau pemurnian tahunan, triwulan, dan bulanan. Rencana pengolahan dan atau pemurnian triwulan dan bulanan dituangkan dalam rencana kerja teknis pengolahan dan atau pemurnian yang dapat diperiksa sewaktu-waktu oleh inspektur tambang. Rencana pengolahan dan atau pemurnian dan rencana kerja teknis pengolahan dan atau pemurnian paling kurang memuat umpan feed, produk hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, recovery, pengolahan dan atau persen ekstraksi pemurnian, pengolahan air proses, penempatan produk hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, sisa hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, dan peralatan utama pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, material balance, water balance, energy balance, dan metallurgical balance, umpan feed dan produk hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, sekurang-kurangnya memuat jumlah, jenis, dan kualitas batu bara atau kadar mineral, recovery pengolahan dan atau persen ekstraksi pemurnian paling kurang sama dengan dokumen studi kelayakan. Pengelolaan air proses sekurang-kurangnya memuat diagram skema pengelolaan air proses, volume kebutuhan air proses, sumber air proses, dan kolam penampungan air sisa proses. Penempatan produk hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian paling kurang memuat lokasi dan kapasitas tempat penampungan, sisa hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian sekurang-kurangnya memuat volume dan jenis sisa hasil pengolahan dan atau pemurnian, serta lokasi dan kapasitas tempat penampungan. Peralatan utama pengolahan dan atau pemurnian paling kurang terdiri atas jenis, jumlah, dan kapasitas peralatan, serta unjuk kerja fasilitas pengolahan dan atau pemurnian. Material balance dihitung terhadap total material, pasa material tunggal, padat cair gas, komponen kimia dari berbagai fasa, komponen mineral dari fasa padat. Water balance dihitung terhadap volume air yang masuk dan keluar, make up water, air yang diambil dari lingkungan dan dikembalikan ke lingkungan. Energy balance dihitung terhadap komponen panas masuk, sensible heat, panas dari reaksi eksotermis, panas dari pembakaran bahan bakar, dan panas dari listrik, serta komponen panas keluar, panas dari reaksi endotermis, sensible heat material, yang keluar dari reaktor dan kehilangan panas. Metallurgical balance dihitung terhadap berat umpan, kadar air, moisture, dalam umpan, sampel representatif umpan padatan dan cairan, densitas POV, umpan ke sirkuit proses, nilai kadar SI value, padatan dan cairan, konsumsi bahan baku dan energi, hasil produksi akhir, dan komposisi produk habis pakai. Planning. The processing and or refining plan includes annual, quarterly, and monthly processing and or refining plans. The quarterly and monthly processing and or refining plans are outlined in a technical work plan for processing and or refining, which can be reviewed at any time by the mining inspector. The processing and or refining plan and technical work plan for processing and or refining must contain at least feed, processed and or refined products, processing recovery and or refining extraction percentage, process water management, placement of processed and or refined products, residual processing and or refined products, and main processing and or refining equipment, material balance, water balance, energy balance, and metallurgical balance. The feed and processed and or refined products must contain at least the quantity, type, and quality of coal or mineral content. The processing recovery and or purification extraction percentage must be at least the same as the feasibility study document. Process water management must include at least a diagram scheme of process water management, the volume of process water required, the process water source, and the water storage form. The placement of processed and or refined product must include at least the location and capacity of the storage area. The remaining processed and or refined products must include at least the volume and type of residual processed and or refined products, as well as the location and capacity of the storage area. The mine processing and or refining equipment must include at least the type, quantity, and capacity of the equipment, as well as the performance of processing and or refining facilities. The material balance is calculated based on the total material, single material phase, solid, liquid, gas, chemical components of various phases, and mineral components of the solid phase. The water balance is calculated based on the volume of incoming and outgoing water, makeup water, and water taken from the environment and returned to the environment. The energy balance is calculated based on the heat input component, sensible heat from exothermic reaction, heat from fuel combustion, and heat from electricity, and the heat output components, heat from endothermic reaction, sensible heat from material leaving the reactor, and heat losses. The metallurgical balance is calculated based on the feed weight, moisture content in the feed, representative samples of solid and liquid feed, food density fault to the process circuit, the safe values of solid and liquids, raw material, energy consumption, final product yield, and composition of consumable products. Terima kasih. Thank you. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.